Meaning of insecticide.
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 Insecticide. Insecticide refers to a chemical substance that is used to kill or control insects. These chemicals are typically man-made and are designed to target the nervous system of insects, causing paralysis or death. Insecticides can be used in a variety of settings, including agriculture, public health, and homes. While insecticides can be effective at controlling insect populations, they can also have negative impacts on non-target organisms, including humans and other animals. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider the use of insecticides and use them only as necessary and with proper precautions.